used to do.
How is your mouth not on fire?
Oh, it is, but I like it that way.
Yeah.
Why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Good morning, it's Mike Chen. I'm here in Harlem, New York, and I actually come up here a lot for food back when I used to live in the city. You can find all sorts of food up here, and today I'm actually meeting with a good friend of mine. I haven't seen her in about a year, way before even lockdown started. So she actually lives in this area, and she's gonna show me around to some of her favorite soul food places. And we're starting right here at Amy Ruth's. As I'm waiting for her, I smell the fried chicken. All I had was like mountain air for breakfast, so I'm just ready to pretty much devour everything they got in there. There she is. Hey, I'm so hungry. I'm about to pass out.
I know,
I'm so hungry. How you doing?
good. How are you?
Good.
Is this your first time having soul food?
No, but I used to come to Harlem a lot
Oh, really?
when I used to live in the city,
Oh, okay.
but I've never been here.
Okay, no, this one is like my favorite.
This is your favorite?
You want like shrimp and grits or just like a
Shrimp and
starter?
grits.
Okay.
Yeah, shrimp and grits. She's nodding. She's approving. I'm happy. Okay, so you lived here your whole life?
Yeah, born and raised in Harlem.
Okay, so Amy's is your favorite.
Yes, Amy's is my
We're,
favorite.
we're going somewhere else after that, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Melba's, which I haven't tried, but I heard it's great.
It's really good?
Yeah,
Okay.
so we'll experience that together.
Sounds good. Is soul food your favorite food?
I wouldn't say my favorite, but I mean, I love it. It has sentimental value. You know, it's not something I eat all the time because
Yeah.
you have to eat it in moderation.
Oh my God, if you eat that all the time, I mean, you look great.
Oh my God.
Oh, I mean, soul food, as tasty as it is.
Yeah, you can't eat it all the time. You
Oh
have,
my-
everything
it is
better
heavy.
in moderation, yeah.
After we eat the soul food,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take you for some noodles.
Oh, let's do it.
In Harlem,
Okay.
there's a couple of good noodle places. Did you know that?
No, I didn't
There's
know
a couple of
that.
good noodle places in Harlem.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you.
I'm excited.
By the way, I'm sorry, I didn't formally introduce you. So this is Jules.
Hi, everyone.
We met in Uzbekistan.
Yeah, last year, actually, this time last year.
Was
we
it
were,
this time?
Yeah, this
It's been
time.
a year?
Yes, we were in Uzbekistan this time last year.
And we hung out when I was in the city, but because of the lockdown, like I haven't seen you in
Yeah. a
like
few
almost
months.
8 months or something like that.
Yeah. Oh, this is the chicken. All right, this is the chicken.
yeah. Ooh, that's the waffle.
The cheese. No, this is the cheesy grit.
Oh, that's all cheesy grits?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Oh, they put a lot of shrimp in here.
Oh, good. They weren't stingy.
They were not stingy with the
That's
shrimp.
nice.
A lot of shrimp, onions, and green peppers. Cheesy grits.
So this is gonna be my first time actually having the shrimp and grits here, but Amy Ruth never disappoints.
First time picnicking in the park in my life.
Really?
I never did this as a New Yorker.
Oh my God, it's the thing. I've been doing it all the time now.
All right, grits time.
Yes, let's do it.
Cheers.
Yay, cheers.
Oh my freaking Lord. Wow.
So good. I wish I could cook like this.
Just something magical to this whole thing. Oh my gosh.
I like the peppers in it too.
It's got that good quality, the smokiness of the pepper, which is really unique in grits. So cheesy.
Yeah.
But
And
I
the
do
consistency is not too grainy either. Yeah.
But I like the fact that it's not mush either. You have a little bits of chew that you can sink your teeth into,
This is good.
but it's that X factor. It tastes almost like if you fried a chicken in a pan and then you used the leftover yummy stuff and you made some sort of like roux. You used to have to cook the. I'm sure that's not what they did, but
Yeah, yeah.
it's just magical.
So there's a huge debate, like, how do you eat your grits? Do you put sugar in it, or do you, like people in the North, like New Yorkers, I grew up putting sugar in my grits, but in the South they don't do that and they'll judge you if you
Oh,
put sugar
really?
in
You
your
put sugar in your grits like oatmeal? No, this is the best grits I think I've ever had.
And the shrimp is really good
The
too.
shrimp is great. It's tender and the flavor is soaked through. I love it when in the color green they put meat. Like it seems counterintuitive, but I love it.
You know, you gotta add a little flavor, a little
Yeah, why
dab
not?
to it.
Add the meat in here. Put that in my grits. I feel like the mac and cheese is what's gonna sit in your stomach for.
I know this is gonna be there.
For
Like, I'm not
existence.
going anywhere.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick with you forever.
It's like just a block of cheese at this point. It's just no good way to describe it besides just a
block of
massive,
cheese.
solid block of cheese.
It's so good though. I love their mac and cheese. Right? It's really good.
It's really good.
Because it's good consistency.
It's good cheese.
Yeah.
You can actually chew the cheese. It's not powder stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Mmm.
You like
I
the
love
greens?
the collard greens.
Okay.
Everything here is just bomb on point.
Yay, I'm glad you like it. It's
No, I
my
love
favorite
it.
soul food spot.
Oh, look how crazy fall apart fluffy the cornbread is. Oh,
The greens,
right?
so good.
I'm not even mad eating greens. Second helping of vegetables. See, Mom? It does happen.
Oh my God, that chicken is calling my name.
You got good chicken.
I cannot wait.
This chicken looks spiced up. Hello, baby.
Good?
This is so good.
I was like, what's happening?
This is so good. Oh my God.
Really good, yeah.
This is so freaking good.
So usually what I get the honey fried chicken.
Any fried chicken from this place, I'll sink my teeth into.
Do you like syrup?
Oh,
You have to have it with the syrup.
oh, am I
You have
eating this
to-
raw?
Yeah, you're doing it all wrong. You can't have it separate. Like you have it. That's why it's chicken in the waffle.
Oh
You
my
enjoy
God,
the
I'm so
flavor.
sorry.
It's good to enjoy separate, but it's meant to be enjoyed together.
If the Colonel showed up, he'd be saluting Amy. Like, that is one of the most flavorful fried chicken
Yeah.
I've had in New York City.
They master the flavor. For
It's
sure.
so good.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of spice coming from the peppers, and the rest is just like incredibly smoky. Nothing compared to this. Like, this is just next level
It's
flavor
great. Yeah.
in the fried chicken.
So first we gotta put some butter on the. You know, it originated from like the slave trade when enslaved Africans, they were just given whatever, the scrapes, but they like made something
made it into
special.
amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
out of it. So it's like out of that struggle, this beautiful stuff was born.
I just love the whole sweet and savory and peppery flavor of this combination. Come here and get some fried chicken. All right, we finally got our food. That took
A long
2
time.
hours.
So we're at Melba's right now, which
Yeah.
is my first time at this soul food
But you heard a lot
restaurant.
about this place.
Yeah, but it's very popular, so I'm like, we have to try this.
Smothered chicken looks great. Look at this massive chunk of chicken.
It smells so good too.
And then the catfish. Oh, that looks good too. All right, and we got a bunch of sides.
Mashed potatoes, yams.
Spinach, because Jules likes to be healthy.
Yeah, we have to have balance in it. We needed some greens.
Ooh, it cuts really easy.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's a big improvement.
Wow. No, seriously, it's so tender.
Oh, wow. I guess because it's smothered.
Yeah, I mean, this is so tender. It cuts like nothing. All right, so smothered chicken is chicken smothered with gravy.
With gravy, yeah.
You don't really even need a knife. You can just pull this chicken apart with a fork.
The sweet tea is pretty good.
Is
too.
it good?
Yeah, half and half. Half lemonade, half sweet tea.
Okay, bon appetito.
Let's do it. Enjoy.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
Oh, lemonade and iced tea. What a great combo. Smothered chicken.
It's really, really good.
Oh, that's good. That's powerful. Like, you know, very aggressively seasoned. I like
But
it
it's
though.
not too much, like, it's not too salty. It definitely has like a huge pepper, onion base to it.
This is one of the softest chicken. You can tell there's tons of butter in there. I feel like I needed that bite of spinach just to kind of resuscitate me. Because
No,
like,
that's why I told you we need the greens for the balance. Absolutely.
oh, catfish is great too.
I haven't tried it yet. What kind of sauce is that?
It's really nice. It's like a spicy mayo sauce. I know it's from a restaurant, but it tastes like, you know,
Home
home
cooked,
kitchen
yeah.
food. Highly recommend the smothered chicken. That is so tender. My favorite chicken today is still the fried chicken, but this thing it's got the tenderness.
And I like the flavor. It's very different.
You like this better with the catfish? Have you had the catfish?
I had the catfish. I definitely like the
smothered chicken
better.
more?
Yeah.
Off to our next place.
Oxtail.
Oxtails?
Yes.
It's a Caribbean soul food mix hybrid kind of thing. There's a lot of restaurants like that here.
Yeah, it's a very popular fusion. And we're in Morningside Park right now.
Yeah, it's
We
pretty.
just saw some turtles.
Would you eat a turtle?
No.
Turtle
I
soup?
wouldn't. No.
Would you eat a bunny?
No. Okay, I ate ostrich before in South Africa.
Oh, that's not bad. That's like a big chicken.
That was my first,
Exotic meat.
Yeah.
Oh,
What about you? Would you have rabbit?
No, I can't eat a rabbit. I had a traumatic experience when it comes to rabbits.
What happened?
Did I ever tell you?
No.
All right, I'll tell you guys this traumatic experience I had with a bunny. I was about 5-6 years old, and my mom brought home a rabbit, and I was like, "Oh my God, Mom got me a pet rabbit." So I bonded with it. I'm like, "I'm gonna cuddle it," and I was like, "Me and you're gonna be best friends." And then my mom said, "Hey, why don't you go out to the park and play?" I went to the park and played. And when I came back, she was in the middle of skinning the little rabbit.
Oh,
I mean, it wasn't little, but it was like a big bunny, but she was like skinning it. Can you imagine a child's world shattering when that happened? And then they cooked it, and they're like, "Eat the rabbit." And I'm like, "I'm not eating the rabbit." So to this day, I cannot eat a rabbit. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Can we get a oxtail?
What's 2 sides gonna be? It comes with a piece of rice and 2 more sides.
What do you think?
Oh wow. You ever had kalaloo?
No, what is that?
Kalaloo is spinach with okra with coconut cream. It's very
Oh, let's
tasty.
get it. Okay.
Right.
How's the jerk chicken here?
Jerk chicken is the best.
It's the best?
It's the second best after the oxtail. It's oxtail salad. We sell the most oxtail, and then it's jerk chicken.
Can we get an order of jerk chicken, but without the sides?
Just a jerk a la carte.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Oh, look at this. Oh my.
I can smell it through my mask.
Right?
It's so good.
Look at all the spices that's in here. This is the jerk chicken. Oh, you know this is gonna be good. This oxtail looks so amazing. Wow. That is fall off the bone tender. And they give you so much oxtail. All the spices and oils. Oh, the fatty piece. You want a fatty piece?
Yeah.
Whew. There you go.
Thank you.
Let's try the jerk chicken. They're second best.
What do you
Oh,
think?
wow.
Good?
Really good. Oh
me
my
see
God,
how
my
it is.
mouth is on fire.
Yeah, it's really spicy.
That is amazing.
Oh my God, really spicy.
Yeah. Let it hurt you in the best way possible.
Oh my God. Damn, we don't have water.
That's good.
No, it's really good.
I mean, you can taste the cumin, the chilies. Oh, let's try this oxtail here.
Do you want plantain? Yeah?
No, I'm not going. Oh, this is great oxtail.
How is your mouth not on fire?
Oh, it is, but I like it that way.
You know?
This place is amazing. My voice changed pitches. That's how amazing it is. Ah. The food god has come down and blessed them. Go and
It's
try
really
their
good.
oxtail. Holy, dare I say, cow. Just the right amounts of fat and meat and nice gelatinous collagen and tendon.
And even though it looks really greasy, it's not really that when you actually eat it.
No, I am super impressed by this. Holy moly, this is good. Like, look at this dripping, gooey little bit of oxtail. Oh my God, this is so good. This might be some of the best oxtail I've ever had.
It's so intense, like my eyes are watering up.
George, are you not able to appreciate the amazing flavor of the oxtail because your mouth is on fire?
No.
Do you feel like a,
Well, now I'm cooling down. These oxtails are really amazing.
oh my gosh. It's like meat candy. It's sweet, but not overly so. But the flavor is remarkably deep. I've had a lot of oxtail in my day. This might be one of the best. This is the best part. With the little bits of tendon and cartilage, crevice of the bone right there. Just gotta suck it out. After this though, you ready for some noodles?
Yeah, I am actually.
Did you know there's good noodles in Harlem?
No, I didn't.
We'll
This
go.
is gonna be
We'll
a
go.
first time.
All right, Jules, have you ever had Bambian Noodles?
Nope, I haven't.
All right, so this is the only Bambian Noodle place I can find in Harlem. So it's probably might not be the best place,
Okay.
but I think it looks all right. So
Okay, let's check it out.
first time in your life, about to have some Bambian Noodles.
I'm
You know why they call it Bambian?
Why?
Because when they make the noodles, they're like pulling it and whipping it on the counter,
Yeah.
and it makes this bam, bam sound.
Oh.
So it's called Bambian. Jules just said something really horrifying. Tell them what you just said.
The banana pudding at Magnolia Bakery is so good. Name better. No.
Anywhere.
Mike, no, it is not bad at all. It's so good.
Are you a tourist? Do me a favor,
I
go
think it's
to
so
the
good.
Brooklyn Cupcake Factory
Okay.
and get some cupcakes and get a much better banana pudding. Comment below if you've been to Magnolia Bakery.
And yeah, and let us know
and
where's
you like,
better.
Yeah, and you like the banana. Who do you agree with more? All right, so we've got the Cumin beef noodles. Did you know you can take a container, something I did back when my parents used to own a restaurant, take out this little wire, and you can make it into like a little plate.
Oh, nice.
This actually looks really good.
Yeah,
I haven't been at this place for like 5 years. So this is Bambian Noodles. They're wide stretch handmade noodles.
What are you looking for when you enjoy these noodles? Like, what are they supposed to
Chewiness,
taste?
the texture,
Chewy?
the
Okay.
mouthfeel is supposed to be very spongy,
Okay.
incredibly bouncy, and they have to be seasoned perfectly.
What are the main seasonings?
This one we got is cumin,
Okay.
and usually there's some chilies.
But we got low spice, so it shouldn't be.
We got those, but these are actually one long noodle. Ready?
Yeah,
Try your first
let's
Bambian noodle?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. Good. I really taste the cumin in it.
Feel that nice texture, a nice mouthfeel.
Yeah.
That's supremely chewy, really great bounce from the noodles.
Is it as good as you remembered it from last time?
I didn't remember like it being like mind-blowing, but this is
Okay.
pretty darn good. Everything is in place here. Like the lamb is nice and tender.
Yeah.
Flavor is excellent. So what do you think? In overall, some of the best noodles you ever had?
Yeah. I haven't had many noodles, but this is pretty good. Like, I'll come back here.
This is like Chinese comfort food.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. Like northern Chinese comfort food, just like a nice bowl of noodles,
Yeah.
some meat, some spices. Like usually we add enough spices so we start sweating. That's how we keep warm in the winter.
Yeah.
It's really good, you know, when it's cold outside, when you're single, you know, it's just like, it keeps you warm inside. Like it gives you that missing warmth. You know, it'd be excellent. And I wish we could have done this.
What?
Some of that oxtail on these noodles.
Oh, it should be like a fusion restaurant.
Right? I bet you these noodles and that jerk chicken, that'd be a pair. But the oxtail, even more tender, with a little hint of smokiness and sweetness.
Yeah.
I think with these noodles,
A banger.
thanks for taking me to all your favorite soul food places.
Yeah.
We found some amazing oxtail and jerk chicken together. Was this your first official full day of food? Like full day food day?
Yes, I never had done
You
this
never had a
before.
full day food day? And what do you think?
It's amazing. I want to do it all the time. When you were like, okay, let's start at 10. I'm like, that's so early, but
Full day food day. We don't get
literally,
around.
We've been eating for hours.
You lived here your whole life. I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I used to come up here all the time. Charles's pan-fried chicken, I used to go there a lot. It was an all-you-can-eat chicken place. Like, there's some lot of good Mexican places, Spanish places up here.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And there's so many like really good food gems now. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today.
Of
It was really great
course.
catching up.
Yes,
It's good seeing you.
I know. It's been a year.
Always great seeing you.
Good to
And
see you
don't
too.
forget to check out Jules. You got a new YouTube channel.
Yes, I do have a new YouTube channel, Travel Jules TV. Yeah, please follow me, subscribe. I'm on Instagram as well at _TravelJules_. So hope to see you there.
All right, guys. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again.